Hello students, myself Ashish Chawla, and today we start the new chapter, that is quadrilateral. So first of all, we understand what is quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a polygon having four sides. A polygon having four sides. A polygon having four sides is called a quadrilateral. Let's draw the shape of a quadrilateral. A polygon having four sides, any four-sided polygon is known as quadrilateral. This is a quadrilateral. Let's say this is the vertex A, vertex B, and this is the vertex C, and this is the vertex D. This is simply a quadrilateral having the vertex A, B, C, and D, and having four sides: AB, side AB, side BC, side CD, and side DA. And there are four angles, interior angles. This is interior angle A, this is interior angle B, and this is interior angle C, and this is interior angle D. There are four angles, interior angles A, interior angle B, interior angle C, and interior angle D. Now, now how we can classify a quadrilateral? So basically we classify the quadrilateral in two categories. One is convex quadrilateral. Let's understand. One is convex quadrilateral and another one is concave quadrilateral. Let's see what are they: convex and concave quadrilateral. Convex quadrilateral, and another one is concave quadrilateral. Now first of all we see the what is the definition of a convex and a concave quadrilateral. The first one, the convex quadrilateral. In convex quadrilateral, all the angles are less than 90 degree. All the angles, all the interior angles, all the interior angles are less than 180 degree. While in the case of concave quadrilateral, one angle, one angle is more than 180 degree. In concave quadrilateral, one angle is more than 180 degree. Now let's see the diagram of it. The convex quadrilateral, let's say this is a convex quadrilateral. Why? Because here all the angles are less than 180 degree. All the angles are less than 180 degree. So this is a convex quadrilateral. Let's see the diagram for the concave quadrilateral. This is a concave quadrilateral. Why? Because here this angle is more than 180 degree. So that's why it is a concave quadrilateral. Now, after that, we come to the next important property of a quadrilateral is that the interior sum of interior angle of quadrilateral is 360 degree. The sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. It means, let's say if we have a quadrilateral, let's say this is a quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Then the sum of the interior angles, that is angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D, their sum is 360 degree. That is Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is always be equals to 360 degree. Let's see the proof of it, how we can prove that. Now, in order to prove this, the sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Let's first draw the quadrilateral. Now, in order to prove that the sum of the interior angle is 360 degree, we draw one construction, we join AC. When we are drawing AC, the angle A is divided into two parts, that is angle 1, let's say this is angle 2, and let's say this is angle 3, and this is angle 4. So, now in triangle ADC, we know that the angle sum property of a triangle, that is sum of the interior angle of a triangle, is 180 degrees. So that's why angle 1 plus angle D plus angle 3 should be equals to 180 degree. In the same way, in triangle ABC, we again apply the angle sum property of a triangle, that is angle 2 plus angle B plus angle 4 should be equals to 180 degree. Let's say this is our equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now, when we add these two equations, 1 and 2 are added, we get angle 1 plus angle D plus angle 3, angle 2 plus angle B plus angle 4. On the right hand side, 180 and 180 are get added. So, 1 and 2, when 1 and 2 are get added, we get the angle A. So in place of 1 plus 2, I write simply A. In place of B, I simply write B. Now, in place of angle 3 and angle 4, the sum of angle 3 and angle 4, from this figure we can say that it is equals to angle C. So angle 3 plus angle 4, we write C or D, that is as it is. Now 180 plus 180, that is 360 degree. So this is the angle sum property of a quadrilateral. That is, sum of all the interior angles of a quadrilateral is always be 360 degree. Now let's do some problem based on this property. Three angles of a quadrilateral are 100 degree, 80 degree and 110 degree. Find the fourth angle. Find the fourth angle of the quadrilateral. So let's see the solution. Now here in quadrilateral, three angles are given to us and we have to find the fourth one. Let the fourth angle is x. Let the fourth angle is x. Now, and we know that the angle sum property of a quadrilateral, that is sum of all the four angles should be equals to 360 degree. So 100 degree plus 80 degree plus 110 degree, and the fourth angle is x. So sum of all these four angles should be equals to 360 degree. So 100 plus 80, that is 180. 180 plus 110, that is 290 degree plus x is equals to 360 degree. So x is equals to 360 degree minus 290 degree, that is equals to 70 degree. So the fourth angle is of 70 degree. Now let move to the next question. The angles of a quadrilateral, the angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio are in the ratio 3 is to 5 is to 7 is to 9. Then find the angles. Find the angles of a quadrilateral. Find the angles of a quadrilateral. Let's see the solution. So here we are given the ratio of the angles are 3 is to 5 is to 7 is to 9. So let's assume that the angles of a quadrilateral are 3x, 5x, 7x and 9x. As the ratios is given to us, that is 3 is to 5 is to 7 is to 9. So let's take the x is a common multiple. So we can say that the angles of a quadrilateral are 3x, 5x, 7x and the 9x. And we know that the sum of all the angles should be equals to 360 degree. So 3x plus 5x plus 7x plus 9x should be equals to 360 degree. So 3x plus 5x 8x, 8x plus 7x that is 15x, 15x plus 9x that is 24x. So 24x is equals to 360 degree. So x is equals to 360 degree divided by 24. Now cancel with 12, we are getting 30 at the numerator, 2 at the denominator, and 30 and 2 are again get cancelled 15 times. So the value of x is 15. The value of x is 15. So the angles are so the angles are so the angles are 3x that is equals to 3 into 15 because the value of x is 15, 45 degree. 5x that is 5 into 15 that is 75 degree. 7x that is 7 into 15 that is 105 degree, and 9x that is 9 into 15 that is equals to 135 degree. So these are the four angles of a quadrilateral. Then the next question is, let's say this is a quadrilateral ABCD, and let's say this angle is x. When the side BC is produced, let's say this angle is phi, and then when the side CD is produced, let's say this angle is W, and when this side is produced, so let's say this angle is Z. So in this question we have to find the sum of we have to find the sum of x plus y plus w plus z. What should be the sum of x plus y plus w plus z? So let's see the solution of it. Now here what we see here that the angle A and angle Z, the sum of these, it is a straight line. So we can say that the angle A plus angle Z should be equals to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle Z should be equals to 180 degree because linear pair. In the same way, we can say that this is angle B and this is angle X. So it will again form a linear pair. So the sum of these two is also 180 degree. So angle B plus angle X should be equals to 180 degree. In the same way, angle C and angle Y is also 180 degree. In the same way, angle D plus angle W is also equals to 180 degree. Now when we add all these four equations, what we getting? That is angle A plus B plus C plus D and angle X plus Y plus Z plus W. And on the right hand side we are getting 184 times, that is 184 times means 720 degree. And we know that the sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is always be 360 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D should be 360 degree. So 360 degree plus angle X plus angle Y plus angle W plus angle Z is equal to 720 degree. So angle X plus angle Y plus angle W plus angle Z is equals to 720 degree minus 360 degree, which is equals to 360 degree. So the value of angle x plus angle y plus angle w plus angle z is equals to 360 degree. So from this figure or from this question we also conclude that these are nothing but the exterior angle of a quadrilaterals. So the sum of the exterior angle of a quadrilateral is always be equals to 360 degree. Let's move to the next question. In this question, it is given that ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral with angle C is equals to 100 degree and angle C equals to 110 degree and angle D is equals to 100 degree, and it is also given that AP and BP are the angle bisector of angle A and angle B respectively, and we have to find the value of angle P. Find angle P. Now, in order to solve this question, uh, we know that the angle sum property of a quadrilateral, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D, should be equals to 360 degree. So angle A, in place of angle C I write 110 degree. In place of angle D I write simply 100 degree equals to 360 degree. So angle A plus angle B, 100 plus 110, that is we are getting 210 degree, which is equals to 360 degree. So angle A plus angle B is equals to 360 degree minus 210 degree, which is equals to 150 degree. It means the sum of the angles A and angle B is equals to 150 degree. Now what we have given? We have given that AP is the angle bisector. So it means this angle is equals to half of angle A, that is A by 2, because AP is the angle bisector. In the same way, BP is the bisector of angle B, so this should be half of B. Now in triangle PAB we apply the angle sum property. In triangle PAB we apply the angle sum property. So in triangle PAB we apply the angle sum property, that is half of angle A plus angle P plus half of angle B should be equals to 180 degree. Now as A and B, their sum is 150 degree, so the half of their sum is equals to should be equals to 75 degree, because A plus B is 150 degree. So when we divide these equation by 2, what we are getting? A by 2, B by 2, and 150 divided by 2, that is 75 degree. So A by 2 plus B by 2, their sum is 75 degree. So in this equation we put A by 2 plus B by 2, we put 75 degree. So 75 degree plus angle P is equals to 180 degree. So angle P equals to 180 degree minus 75 degree. So that is equals to 105 degree. So the value of angle P is equals to 105 degree. Thank you.